Brightline, the only provider of modern, eco-friendly intercity rail, welcomes the arrival of its first train to Orlando, Bright Blue 2. Brightline's newest train set arrived at Brightline's vehicle maintenance facility located south of Orlando International Airport, marking a historical moment as the first Brightline train to arrive in Orlando. Bright Blue 2, a 6-car train consisting of 2 locomotives and 4 passenger coaches, left the Siemens rolling stock facility in Sacramento at the end of January. In total, Bright Blue 2 traveled 3,000 miles across 10 states en route to Florida.
It's phenomenal for all of us that have been working on this project for so long, because this is really what we're working for, and to see these trains begin to arrive is just so exciting. It spurs us on through that last 30% of the construction that we have to complete.
The train is the second of 5 new train sets to arrive in Florida in preparation for the opening of the Brightline station in Orlando. The first train, Bright Red 2, arrived in October 2021, traveling along the Florida East Coast Railway through Brevard, Indian River, St. Lucie, Martin and Palm Beach counties to its destination in West Palm Beach. In partnership with Siemens Mobility, the newest train sets represent Brightline's commitment to invest billions in American infrastructure, creating the country's first and only private high-speed rail network. The stainless steel coaches are made with components from more than 160 suppliers across 27 states. They are designed for luxury and comfort, featuring special ergonomic seating, contemporary communication systems, and enhanced Wi-Fi. Thanks to wide aisles, wheelchair storage, and fully accessible restrooms, the Venture train set exceeds ADA requirements from end to end. Brightline's Orlando extension project is currently 70% complete, employs more than 1,300 construction workers, and is expected to be complete in late 2022, carrying passengers in 2023.